Say goodbye to laundry day stress. The Midea Inverter Front Loader series, available in 8 and 10 kg models, makes washing faster, smarter and more energy efficient. With an impressive 480mm wide door, loading bulky items is easy, and the clear view lets you watch every spin. Got a busy day? The 15-minute quick wash is great for small loads, and the 45-minute rapid wash handles larger baskets. Turbo Wash speeds up select cycles by 40%, saving you time without compromising performance. The Lunar Dial adds sophistication and ease, combining the functionality of a traditional dial with an easy-to-read screen that displays the remaining wash time. My standout feature is Health Guard, which takes my washing to a cleaner level with intuitive sterilizing. This is done through Auto Clean, which cleans the inner and outer drum during key programs, and Steam Care heats the drum, creating steam that softens and sterilizes clothes up to 99.9%. Ideal for compromising immune systems, eczema, and allergies. Bacteria and bad odors don't stand a chance. The drum clean function heats water to 90 degrees to remove dirt, soap buildup, and bacteria, making maintenance easy. Energy efficiency is at the heart of this machine. Inverter Quattro technology saves up to 70% in energy, runs 10.4% quieter, and carries an 8++ energy rating. Combined with a powerful 1400 RPM max speed spin, your clothes are cleaned thoroughly while being kinder to your wallet and the planet. It even gets smarter. With smart home connectivity, you can control your washer remotely via the app. Schedule washes, receive notifications when your laundry is done, and get real-time troubleshooting alerts. Plus, Laundry Expert helps you pick the perfect cycle, and you can customize and save up to 5 programs. As for power outages, don't worry. Auto Resume picks up where the machine left off when the power returns. With its modern titanium finish, 14 preset programs, and an electronic child lock for safety, the Midea Inverter Front Loader series is designed for modern living. Available in both an 8 or 10 kg capacity, you can enjoy peace of mind with a standard 5-year warranty and 10-year inverter motor warranty. Save time, save energy, and go beyond washing with the Midea Inverter Front Loader series. Midea, make yourself at home.